Sarkar's investment made Flickmart an overnight success. It became to be known as the youngsters' company. They diversified their market from books to electronics, fashion apparels, home improvement, and even industrial products, making them the fastest growing Indian company ever. Flickmart managed to be the biggest e commerce company in India.
So guys, do you have any questions?
Yeah. So how are you going to combat online frauds and credit card disputes?
Very nice question. The answer is COD.
Are you sure it will work?
It has to.
Sanjay and Vineet became the business sensations and came on the cover page of India Business. Their ambitions grew thrice the rate of the growth of Flickmart. They needed even more funding for expansion. But to do so, Sarkar and his company wanted them to do something big, something which was never done before, something which could blow the e commerce industry. They thought all night, and thus came the revolutionary idea of
This is the day.
What, Vineet? What 610?
Oh, you're talking about 610? 610 is the lab that we met for the first time.
Exactly. And the investors need a lucky day. This is our lucky day.
Oh, Sanjay, Vineet. What talent, huh? What idea. Super, super. Are Mr. Saxena?
Good morning.
Good morning, Anil. How's it going?
Pretty good. So, what is so urgent about today's meeting?
Well, we have planned for a massive sale on October 6th, and it's called Big Billion Day Sale.
Yeah, because we have planned to achieve a sales target of 1 billion rupees.
In a single day?
Yes, in a single day.
Don't you think you should discuss this with the executives before taking any final decision?
Of course, there are pros and cons with each process. But here we have a solid plan, and Vineet is going to walk you through the plan right now.
Yeah, so Anil, our objective and only objective is to reach 1 billion rupees in revenue. So, how do we do that? It's by promoting extensively on app, TV ads, social media, and newspaper so that every Indian knows about Big Billion Day Sale. So, how do we cater to the demand generated by promotions? It's by beefing up our logistics. So we need to employ 10,000 new blue-collar workers, have tie-up with 5 distributor networks, set up 4 centralized warehouses, and have a strategic alliance with India Post for last-mile connectivity so that we reach every single Indian.
So, Anil, what do you think?
Well, you are the bosses. I don't have a say. I'll just follow your command.
Well, I don't mean to be rude, but irrespective of what you suggest, we are sticking to this plan.
And I'll let you know why. We need promotions to increase our revenues, to improve our valuations, and to raise our capital, and to become a Fortune 500 company.
they say it takes a lifetime to build a reputation and a small mistake to break it. Flickmart became infamous and was on the verge of losing all what they had earned.
we have failed. Our website has crashed. We saw an increase in the traffic and our servers just failed. Our marketing strategy has been mocked and ridiculed. It's trending on Twitter and Facebook. And we have become a joke?
I knew this. Flickmart has become Flopmart.
Sanjay, come sit. Sit. Bansals, your plan has failed, but your efforts were sincere. Your customers think it is a scam, but your intentions were not wrong. Your customers might be unhappy, and they are. But you can still win their trust. You have built this credibility from the scratch. You have earned this name Flickmart over the years. Now is not the time to feel sad, Sanjay. Now is the time to act.
It was the biggest and the only failure which Flickmart ever faced. Learning from their mistakes, Flickmart hosted Big Billion Day sale every year and they never failed in it again. I think I spoke a lot. And it's the right time to call the man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sanjay Bansal!
Thank you for having me here. Thank you. Thank you. It wouldn't have been possible without you. Flickmart. This has been my only investment for the last 50 years. I haven't done much. On this special day, I miss the person who played an equally important role in shaping this company, Vineet. He was not just a business partner, but a friend, a philosopher, and a guide too. We had our ups and downs. We cried, we played, we partied, and enjoyed a lot. I still remember the day when we met Chaubeji for the first time for starting this business. Beautiful old times. But all this while, we never wanted anyone to remember us, but we wanted them to remember our service.